part of the day. However, even with these adaptations, camels are still vulnerable to predators and diseases. When they get sick, they may become lethargic, lose their appetite, or behave differently. They may also seek out certain plants or minerals to help them heal themselves. For example, camels have been known to chew on the bark of acacia trees, which has been shown to have medicinal properties. They may also seek out mineral-rich soil, which can help to replenish their bodies with essential nutrients. Despite their tough exterior,